We are a company that's dedicated to having solutions for automated intelligent solutions for that post-printing step in additive manufacturing. So support removal and surface finishing of 3D printed parts. That's all that we do here. It's what we eat, sleep, and breathe. We do that by having hardware, software, and chemistry solution that's all designed from the ground up, not only to work together, but specifically for additive. The reason I say it like that, and if anyone's already printing at their place of work, you know that as you kind of look across the additive landscape of today, more often than not, what printer OEMs are recommending, what companies are trying to do when it comes to support removal and surface finishing, they find something from traditional manufacturing, designed for something else, and port it over. And they might even find a chemistry or a detergent also from a different company, different application, and port it over, and they have limited success. But that's what makes PostProcess different. All of our solutions are designed from the ground up for additive. Faster, more automated, safer, less waste, and that type of thing.